me also it becomes very difficult to understand. Then I asked her, how long you will be talking? He's going on talking. And they are talking to so many girls at the same time. So many girls are talking with so many boys. Okay, probably, then I asked one boy, he was very close to me, hey, don't misunderstand me. I am not asking you to exactly say me what you talk, but generally what topic you fellows discuss. Because I am curious. Because in my case and all, I just saw one girl, I got married to her. The first girl whom I saw, I got married to her. I told my mom, I will see only one girl. Okay, unless she rejects. Actually, this monkey who will marry me, I will see another donkey. But I said that, but I will see only one girl. I saw the girl, somehow some weakness for her, she also said yes. Poor girl, she is now suffering. That's a different issue. So, even today, we have got something to talk. If I go back to India, I still have something to talk with my wife. I still discuss something with my wife. But here, all talking happens before marriage. After marriage, nobody talks. Have you understood? Because everything, what should be spoken after marriage is also spoken before marriage. What you guys will have to talk after marriage. This is on doubt. Then I asked him, see, what is it? No, you need not reveal everything. Something. No, Guruji, she was asking me what is my financial responsibilities. Hari? What is? No, she wants to know how many credit cards I have got. What is this got to do with marriage? I couldn't understand. See, no, she was asking me whether I have a home, whether I have a car. It looked like some business transaction. It did not look like marriage is more personal. You want to know about the person, but today, knowing the person is more through the other aspects than the person. How you have handled finance. Thereby I will know what sort of a person you are. Are you a spendthrift? Today the entire technology of assessment has changed. Because today you want a programmed life. You do not want an unprogrammed life. So marriages, especially with boys in India, there another category is there in India. That category, US means the girls, boys are loose. They don't have character. There are some people thinking like this. There is one group. US தெரியும் அந்த பையன் என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கானோ என்னடா இது என்ன பண்ணிட்டு வேலை பண்ணிட்டு This looks very stupid. Under your own nose, now your girl is doing something which you do not know. I know. No denial should be there. So there we started worshipping the obstacle itself, that is Vinayak. Vinayak is the Lord. Ganapati is the Lord. Ganapati has different names. One is Ganapati. When you say Ganapati, he is the Lord of Ganas. He is more the Lord of everything that is positive and negative. He is the Lord who controls both the positive and negative. You don't have one God controlling positive, one God controlling negative. Director planning, director execution. Like that there is nothing. The same God is both director planning and director execution. If planning is given to one person and execution is given to one person, the person who executes cannot understand the plan. The person who forms the plan will not know the difficulties of execution. That is a very big problem in management. If both are housed in the very same thing, if that responsibility is given to one person, then both the planning and execution goes more hand in hand. So like that, here the Lord, Ganapati, is in charge of both the positive and the negative forces. Ganam is both positive and negative. He controls. So by praying to Ganapati, if you just sit and keep praying, Gam Ganapataye Namaha, Gam Ganapataye Namaha, Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Some time is there, you are doing this. Suppose time is not there. Gam, 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 gam. That is enough. That simple syllable of gum itself is Ganapati. Just say gum, 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 gum. Chewing gum. Gum, you can put a chewing gum in a gum, gum. You can do it because Americans always chew, no? You should have some, because you want something to keep going. So that you can, because chewing gum improves concentration, they say. Psychologically it improves concentration. That's why cricket batsmen win. That is all. So, gum improves. It also improves the jaw movements. It's an exercise to have. Instead of shouting with voice, you can have. The same gum you can remove and put it in the ear if you shout. It's multi-purpose. So if you keep repeating gum, 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 gum umpteen number of times, all your obstacles will get taken care. And the Vigneshwara, the Lord is called Vigneshwara. Vigna Ishvara, the God of obstacles. Vigna means obstacles. Ishvara means God, the God of obstacles. The beauty in Hinduism is we worship the obstacles itself as the God. We are not hypocrites. We don't ask somebody else to do it. You yourself do it. You yourself directly go to the person who can solve the problem. Directly you pray to the Lord. There is an obstacle, you please remove it. He removes. So, Gam Ganapatiye Namaha, we say, Gam, 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 Gam Ganeshaya Namaha. There is one more form of Ganapati. Vinayakaya. Vinayak. Leadership qualities. He is leader's leader. Vinayak. Vinayak. Nayak means leader. Vinayak. Leader's leader. If you want to develop leadership qualities, you want to have managerial abilities, much better, you pray to that form of the Lord, which is Vinayak, the Ganapati. The Vinayak will guide you, will give you better sense of direction to handle things in the way in which it has to be handled. He gives you the courage, conviction to execute the projects and programs. That is why he is called Vinayak. Vinayakaya, Vignarajaya, Gauri Putraya, Skandagrajaya, Vaimatraya, Lakshmi Pradaya. All are able to understand the last one, Lakshmi Pradaya. All the other things also understand. There is something where he is called Surpakarnaya. You have seen the elephant, it has got a very big ear. What is this Surpakarnam? Karnam is ear. Surpakarnam means it is very big, very large ear. It keeps doing like this. It's spanning. You know, the right ear is called Karna Pishachi. The left ear is called Hasti Pishachi. The right ear is like police wireless. So many messages will come. In Hyderabad, one police station fellow will be saying, some fellow has snatched the sign, hey, D5 police station, this fellow has snatched the sign and Khan is running, go and catch him. C5 police station, hey, there is a disturbance, go and see. So many things will be coming in the same wireless set. Then immediately this fellow will go. What corresponds to him? So right ear gives you all information, useful, useless, everything. That is right ear. It is called Karna Pishachi. It seems there is an Akshara called Karna Pishachi. It will come and sit in your right ear and keep saying all unwanted information, all wanted information, everything. It will be just like a radio broadcasting station. It will be going on at different frequencies. This is called Hasti Pishachi. Only the information required to you will be, today your husband will be late, be careful. He has roamed with the secretary somewhere. That information, that classified information you will get in the left ear. This is Hasti Pishacha. This is Karna Pishacha. If you listen to the right ear, you will get all information. If you listen to the left ear, you only information concerning you will get. So, left ear is more classified information. This is total information. These 2 ears is Surpakarma. And the Lord gives you the ability to listen to everything by sitting in your own place. You will get all information. You need not key into the system to find out what is going on in Richmond. You automatically know. You will have the jnanam. So he gives you that intelligence. So Ganapati is also intelligence. He sharpens your intelligence. I just wanted you to know a little bit on Ganapati. Somehow I thought. You are just mechanically saying, Om, if you can keep all these things in mind and recite, you will have a purpose and a direction towards it. You will know probably, yours and all nowadays need-based. So, obstacles to remove, pray to Ganapati. You want to get married, pray to Ganapati. You don't want to get married, pray to Ganapati. The existing marriage, you want to come out, pray to Ganapati. Sometimes please remember, the existing bhutam is better than an unknown. Always an existing devil is better than unknown angel. Unknown angel will be more troublesome. Have you understood? And after having got used for 20 years or 15 years or 10 years to something, it is better to keep fighting and continue the relationship rather than to leave it and go in for something new. Because once again you have to start fighting from the beginning. At least here there is something, you can continue the fight. Yadasto prananyoditaha varatrate om aindre Om Yam Yam Om Nairudhi Om Vagavir Om Vayavir Om Kauberi Om Ishani Om Pathe Om Akashe Om Achakraya Om Vichakraya Om Suchakraya Om Vishakraya Om Shakchakraya Om Jwala Chakraya Madhye Sri Lakshmi Ganapati Edham Mama Edasto Dinasyaha Sampratyam Pranadhe Yatho Ram Yatra Mitham Gratasyo Hidaman Dharvayendre Manatyo Hidahe Yevam Saketame Sarva Asha Madhyatre Tamena Ashaha Pradharvadite Name Vishwarupaha Chetam Kranayaste Agni Vadarkrutvadine Sama प्रदरुदार्यातस्ते तिनरो राद्रं करणीति मानभद्रं ये झंक्राणते सख्यते मजिपो ये झंक्राणिते नमा सख्यो तदिमानि यत्पत्रेतिनः भद्रस्य प्रतिर्वादिति नाद्या परिणतेन मे रिद्रम् एतनामरिनेन सेन भद्रम् आरण्याधिनेन से आरुण्यः बलिहान् प्रमेन ते भूतस्यो आज्यते प्रगन्नत्रेति न होमः वरेण्यते नमः अग्निः छदरा कृत्वस्तेति न छदरा कृतान् कृते नमः सर्वं विष्णवे
स्वाहा। ओम नारायणाय विद्महे वासुदेवाय धीमहि तन्नो विष्णु प्रचोदयात्।
आदावन्तस्ये द्रावितापरीं प्रमाण दैत्ये ते दिदिवान् सख्यस्तो दिनस्तमे विमदे कारणमे स्पेशल ಅದನ್ನ ತಂಗಿ सभ्यो दे दिनस्तमे पदिवार्यदेन मे पुत्रः कत्रे दिवन्नाशी वर्गत्रे दिनस्योवान् पदिवर्ये दिनस्यं ते दिनः तन्त्रस्य प्रतिभाषे वार्धतेन हे पुष्णो याजस्ते दिनं न मे रक्ष प्रधार्यते तमे रक्षभूतेति भुवन प्रणिपीड्ये दिने तमे चन्द्रः यतं प्रदस्ते दिन निर्मल यादावर्गत्रे दिन राजः यदा कृतनेन विश्वरूपः सख्योऽमृतात् अमृतं प्रतस्थो दिनवान् येजस्ते दिने सत्यं वर्यत्रे दिने कर्मः प्रधर्यत्रे दिने कामः प्रजर्गत्रे दिनतन्त्र याजस्ते दिनं कर्मयोग्यो प्रतन्वान् ऋषिः योगस्योपदिवानोदितः योगोऽभ्यो तथा निद्र यस्कन्धे दिनस्तमे अक्षराः प्राणा यदि प्राणायुगलेते संवत्सरेणाधीर् आत्मन्नै उदिभूतः प्रथेनमानो सर्वं विष्णवे
स्वाहा। ओम नारायणाय विद्महे वासुदेवाय धीमहि तन्नो विष्णु प्रचोदयात्।
तन्त्रादिनस्य मे तन्त्रः मजाकरिणे तमेन विश्वा यस्कन्धे दिमेन मे सत्रसरो राभद्रो दिमन्नधे राभ्यतः प्रगन्भद्रे दिन पूर्णा पूर्णायुगलस्ते दिनं ये कामस्यो ऊर्णहे यतस्थो दिनं याः प्रधन्ये दिन अग्निः नारायणस्य प्रथोरिते सर्गं सर्वत्रे दिन सत्रं पदां कृतेन मे यज्वस्य प्रदनस्यो दिनस्य श्यामान्त्रमे तन्त्रः प्रदर्गे दिना सर्वं
विष्णवे स्वाहा। ओम नारायणाय विद्महे वासुदेवाय धीमहि तन्नो विष्णु प्रचोदयात्।
त्रये दिनस्य वा हरिदे सर्वत्रे दिनः इन्द्रो इन्द्रं प्रधानते पुण्यः पुण्यस्यादिनस्य मे कीर्थ दधा प्रतिदे दिनवर्धनाः येषां कृतेन हे विष्णुः रक्षस्य भुवने ते दिनि कृत्वा येदस्ते कृत्वा न सेन मे सत्यं ये च प्राण्यतेन मे ब्राह्म्यं परिद्रोणहस्यादिनं ये सूर्गः शुक्रभुग्विभजन्नाथि रत्वे दे दिनस्य मा दवित्रे
सर्वं विष्णवे स्वाहा। ओम नारायणाय विद्महे वासुदेवाय धीमहि तन्नो विष्णु प्रचोदयात्।
नमस्यस्तो दिनं तमे तन्त्रस्य अधिकलेर्प्रतर्वादिति संवत्सरा अधीतमारित्वन्मयि यदं वृधाशिननीशः यदा कृणेतमेन रुद्रा यस्कन्धेति मस्यो यदभान्येति न ब्रह्मन् प्रथाङ्करिणमेन ऋषिः पर्यत्रोधिमन्येति न अर्थः न तां कृतनेन ने विश्व असंघृणानतेन प्रयोगः प्रदर्गत्रेति न रक्षणा लक्ष्यस्य भुवनेनि विश्वा येधां प्रते यशङ्ग्रस्येतितः यतन्तो अक्षरो ॐ नमो नारायणाय इति मन्त्रस्य प्रथर्वादिन अग्निन्तज्वालस्य द्रगिन्मच्छादिति प्रयोगप्रतिगंशादितः प्रधार्तन्नस्यो सर्वं विष्णवे
स्वाहा। ॐ नारायणाय विद्महे वासुदेवाय धीमहि तन्नो विष्णुः प्रचोदयात्। सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव वन्दनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात्। हस्तो भगवान् अयं मे भगवत्तरः अयं मे विश्ववेश्वरो युगं शिवाविनश्यनः एते सहस्रमयुतं पाशा मृत्योर्मध्यायहन्तवे तान् यज्ञस्य मायया सर्वानवयजामहे मृत्यवे स्वाहा मृत्यवे स्वाहा। ॐ नमो भगवते रुद्राय विष्णवे मृत्युर्मे पाहि प्राणानां ग्रन्थिरसि रुद्रो मा विशान्तः तेनामेनाभ्यायस्व नमो रुद्राय विष्णवे मृत्युर्मे पाहि सदा शिवो। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। अमृतोद्भवाय विद्महे अमृतदेवाय धीमहि तन्नो धन्वन्तरी प्रचोदयात्। नारायणाय विद्महे वासुदेवाय धीमहि तन्नो विष्णुः प्रचोदयात्।
श्रीमान् वेङ्कटनाथार्य कवितार्किककेसरी
वेदान्ताचार्यवर्यो मे सन्निधत्तां सदा हृदि।
शुक्लां
वरदं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। यस्य स्मरणमपाध्यापारिषद्या परश्रुतं विघ्नं निघ्नन्ति सततं विश्वक्सेनं तमाश्रये। व्यासं वसिष्ठनप्तारं शक्तेः पौत्रमकल्मषं पराशरात्मजं वन्दे शुकदातं तपोनिधिं। व्यासाय विष्णुरूपाय व्यासरूपाय विष्णवे नमो वै ब्रह्मनिधये वासिष्ठाय नमो नमः। अविकाराय शुद्धाय नित्याय परमात्मने सकलैकरूपरूपाय विष्णवे सर्वजिष्णवे यस्य स्मरणमात्रेण जन्म संसारबन्धनात् विमुच्यते नमस्तस्मै विष्णवे प्रभविष्णवे। ॐ नमो विष्णवे प्रभविष्णवे। श्रीवैशम्पायन उवाच श्रुत्वा धर्मानशेषेण पावनानि च सर्वशः युधिष्ठिरशान्तनवं पुनरेवाभ्यभाषत। श्रीश्रीशुरोवाच किमेतं दैवतं लोके किं वा एकं परायणं स्तुवन्तं प्रमर्चन्तं प्राप्नुयुर्मानवा शुभम्। को धर्मः सर्वधर्माणां भवतः परमो मतः किं जगन्मुच्यते जन्तुर्जन्म संसारबन्धनात्। श्रीभीष्मोवाच जगत्प्रभुं देवदेवमनन्तं पुरुषोत्तमं स्तुवन्नाम सहस्रेण पुरुषः सततोऽर्पितः। तमेव चार्चयन् नित्यं भक्त्या पुरुषमव्ययम् ध्यायन् स्तुवन् नमस्यंश्च यजमानस्तमेव च। अनादिविधं विष्णुं सर्वलोकमहेश्वरं लोकाध्यक्षं स्तुवन् नित्यं सर्वदुःखादिको भवेत्। ब्रह्मण्यं सर्वधर्मज्ञं लोकानां कीर्तिवर्धनं लोकनाथं महद्भूतं सर्वभूतभवोद्भवं एष मे सर्वधर्माणां धर्मोऽधिकतमो मतः यद्भक्त्या पुण्डरीकाक्षं स्तवैरच्चे नरः सदा परमं यो महत्तेजः परमं यो महत्तपः परमं यो महद्ब्रह्म परमं यः परायणं पवित्राणां पवित्रं यो मङ्गलानां च मङ्गलं दैवतं देवतानां च भूतानां यो व्ययपिता यतः सर्वाणि भूतानि भवन्त्यादियुगागमे यस्मिन् च प्रलयं यान्ति पुनरेवैवक्षये तस्य लोकप्रधानस्य जगन्नाथस्य भूपते विष्णोर्नामसहस्रं मे शृणुतावभयावहम् यानि नामानि गौणानि विख्यातानि महात्मनः ऋषिभिर्परिणीतानि तानि वक्ष्यामि भूतये ऋषिर्नाम्नां सहस्रस्य वेदव्यासो महामुनिः छन्दोनुष्टुप्तथा देवो भगवान् देवकीसुतः अमृतांशुर्भवो बीजं शक्तिर्देवकी नन्दनः त्रिसामाहृदयं तस्य शान्तिर्ते विनियुज्यते विष्णुं जिष्णुं महाविष्णुं प्रभविष्णुं महेश्वरम् अनेकरूपदैत्यान्तं नमामि पुरुषोत्तमम् अस्य श्रीविष्णोर्विष्णुसहस्रनामस्तोत्रमहामन्त्रस्य श्रीवेदव्यासो भगवान् ऋषिः अनुष्टुप्छन्दः श्रीमहाविष्णु परमात्मा श्रीमन्नारायणो देवता अमृतांशुर्भवो भानुरितिबीजम् देवकीनन्दनसृष्टेति शक्तिः उद्भवक्षोभनो देव इति परमो मन्त्रः शङ्खवृन्दन्ति चक्रीति कीलकम् शार्ङ्गलं वागदाधरैत्यस्त्रम् गदाङ्गवाणिरक्षोभ्यरिति नेत्रम् त्रिसामासामगसामेति कवचम् आनन्दं परब्रह्मेति योनिः ऋतुसुदर्शनकाल इति दिग्बन्धः श्रीविश्वरूप इति ध्यानम् श्रीमहाविष्णुप्रीत्यर्थे सहस्रनामजपे विनियोगः ध्यानम् श्रीशोधन्वत्प्रदेशे सुषिमणिविलसत्सरितते मौक्तिकानां मालाक्लुप्ता सरस्तस्फटिकमणिनिभे मौक्तिके मण्डिशाङ्गः शुभ्रैरभ्रैरभ्रैरुपैर्विरचितै मुक्तपीयूषवर्षैः आनन्दीनः कुर्यादरिणैरदा शङ्खपाणिर्मुकुन्दः भूपादौ यस्य नाभिर्वियतसुरनिलश्चन्द्रसूर्यौ च नेत्रे कर्णावाशा शिरोद्धमुखमभिदहनौ यस्य वासेयमब्धिः अन्तस्तं यस्य विश्वं सुरनरकदवो भोगिगन्धर्वदैत्यैः चित्रं रम्यते तं त्रिभुवनवपुषं विष्णुमीशं नमामि ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभाङ्गं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगिहृद्यानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णुं भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथं मेघश्यामं पीतकौशेयवासं श्रीवत्साङ्गं कौस्तुभोद्भासिताङ्गं पुण्यो वेदं पुण्डरीकायताक्षं विष्णुं वन्दे सर्वलोकैकनाथं नमः समस्तभूतानामादिभूताय भूभृते अनेकरूपरूपाय विष्णवे प्रभविष्णवे सशङ्खचक्रं सकिरीटकुण्डलं सपीतवस्त्रं सरसीरुभीषणं सहारवक्षस्थलशोभिकौस्तुभं नमामि विष्णुं शिरसा चतुर्भुजं छायायां पारिजातस्य हेमसिंहासनोपरि आसीनमम्बुदश्याममायताक्षमलङ्कृतं चन्द्राननं चतुर्बाहुं श्रीवत्साङ्कितवक्षसं रुक्मिणी सत्यभामाभ्यां सहितं कृष्णमाश्रये हरि ओम् विश्वविष्णुर्वशत्कारो भूतभव्यभवत्प्रभुः भूतभृद्भावो भूतात्मा भूतभावनः भूतात्मा परमात्मा च मुक्तानां परमागतिः अव्ययो ईश्वरः स्वयं भूषम्भुरादित्य पुष्कर